Hey everyone, so are your Dropbox folders not syncing? Maybe some folders stay stuck, changes aren't showing across devices, or new files aren't appearing in shared folders. Yeah, that can be super frustrating when you rely on Dropbox to keep everything in sync. In this video, I'll show you several simple ways to fix Dropbox not syncing folders in 2026, and most of these steps only take a few minutes. First, make sure your internet connection is stable. Dropbox needs a reliable connection to sync folders properly, so check your Wi-Fi or wired network. Next, restart the Dropbox app. Close it completely from the system tray or task manager, wait a few seconds, and reopen it. This often fixes temporary folder syncing issues. Make sure the folders you want synced are selected in Dropbox's selective sync settings. If a folder isn't selected, it won't appear on your device. Ensure you have the proper permissions for shared folders. If you don't have access, Dropbox won't sync the folder to your device. You can try pausing and resuming syncing. Click the Dropbox icon, select Pause Syncing, wait a few seconds, then choose Resume Syncing. This often triggers stuck folders to start syncing. If your folders still aren't syncing, try reinstalling Dropbox. Uninstall the app, download the latest version from the official website, and install it again. This usually fixes persistent folder syncing problems. And that's it. Most Dropbox folder syncing issues can be fixed by checking your connection, verifying selective sync settings, or reinstalling the app. If this guide helped you, check out more quick tech tutorials on the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.